What's up, everybody? This is Missy from Lansing Hoops, and on this week of our Core Challenge series, I'm going to cover knee hooping. As you get started, you can use one of two hoops. A lighter weight hoop may do better for this. Your knees can be kind of sensitive. A lot of us have some prior injuries or arthritis in our knees. So if your knees are sensitive at all, choose a lighter weight hoop. However, sometimes when you're learning, a bigger, heavier hoop can be easier on your knees. Just make sure that you don't start to feel any tenderness or soreness as you're hooping. If you do, take a rest, put your big hoop up for a while, and switch into something smaller. If you've been following along with our Core Challenge series, you'll already be familiar with the 3 rules of hoop piece. Now, if you haven't signed up for our Core Series Challenge, you can do that at lansinghoops.com/core challenge, and we'll send you 1 video a week over the course of 8 weeks, covering one of all of the different on-body core techniques that you may want to learn. For now, we're going to take a deeper dive and look at knee hooping. Now, this isn't a super small hoop, but it's not super heavy either, and this is going to help protect my knees. Now, the first thing that you need to know about knee hooping is that it's a little bit of a misnomer. While we call it knee hooping, actually, we're hooping just above our knees, the bottom of our thigh, or where that teardrop muscle is. Okay, so the thing that you'll want to know about knee hooping is that we're still following the 3 rules of hoop piece, just like we have every other week. So if you remember, the first rule of hoop piece is to pee, pulse, or move with purpose. So in this instance, rather than pulsing with our waist or our chest like we have in prior weeks when we covered the upper part of our body, this week we'll actually be pulsing with our knees. I like to think of one knee as the pusher and one knee as the stabilizer. In this scenario, you can see that one of my legs is doing a lot more work. My left leg is pushing a lot more than my right. My right leg helps to stabilize the hoop as it comes around, but mostly stays still, following the 3rd rule of hoop piece, the ACE, which is keeping my abs and my core engaged. Oftentimes when people are knee hooping, as soon as the hoop starts to make some progress, making rotations around their body, they look down at it to see that it's working, and they come out of alignment, and they start to break that 3rd rule, or keeping their abs and their core engaged by going like this. Oh, look, it's working. And then the hoop falls off of their knees like this. As I'm knee hooping, if I look, the hoop starts to fall. So remember, one leg is pushing or pulsing. In my case, I'm spinning to the right, so my first leg or my left leg is doing the work. Well, my right leg is stabilized, just keeping myself firm beneath my hips and my shoulders. Just like when we waist hoop, we wind up. I'm going to wind up on my knees, and with my left knee pushing, my right knee is stabilizing. The hoop is on my knee. So a couple of tips here. First of all, you may see that on occasion, the hoop starts to fall a little below my knees, and I add an extra pump with my stabilizing leg. What I mean is, I'm normally pushing with my left, push, 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 push. If I start to lose control of the hoop, I can add a double pump with my right leg like this. Push, push, and then go back into pumping with my left, and that will help the hoop hop back up. It looks like this. Knee hooping, and if the hoop starts to go a little lower than I want, or I want to bring it up higher, I just add in a double pump with my right leg and the hoop will start to rise like this. All right, let's try that again. With the hoop on our body, bending down, place the hoop firmly against the back of your thighs, wind up, and give it a push. And with your first leg, push the hoop, stand up straight, resist the urge to look and see if it's working. Take it easy, relax your body, keep your abs and your core engaged. And that is how you knee hoop, following the 3 rows of hoop piece. And that wraps up this session of our core challenge series. Remember, it's easier to count on one leg to do the pushing and one leg to help stabilize your body. Follow the 3 rows of hoop piece. P, pulse or move with purpose. E, take it easy. The hoop is like an extension of your body. So whatever you're doing with your body, the hoop will be doing that too. In ACE, keep your abs and your core engaged. Suck in your tummies, suck in your bottoms, and resist the urge to look and see if it's working. Remember, one leg pushes while the other leg stabilizes. Give it a wind up and a push, and before you know it, you'll be knee hooping too. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. And if you'd like to join us for the entire Core Challenge series, you can sign up today at lansinghoops.com/core challenge and learn how to better hoop on your waist, neck, chest, shoulders, and more. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to Lansing Hoops today. See you next time.